I like to think that the HVAC industry chose me. I was a chef for a lot of years. I could probably still be doing that if I really wanted to. I was looking through Indeed one day, looking for something that I wanted to do, something that I enjoyed, and Golden Rule kind of fell in my lap, and I really like how family oriented we are here. I really enjoyed my time at Top Tech University. They have two really great teachers over there. One that's more, the hands-on trainer, and then we have a retired teacher over there. I thought they did a fantastic job of preparing me for the job that I have now. The first day in the field was, I'm not gonna lie and say it's the easiest job by any means, but it gets a lot easier as you keep doing it. Great thing about what we do here is if I can't fix it, I can make a phone call and get it fixed. Helping people has always been something that really brings me joy in life. One of my favorite things as a technician was helping our customers, and now one of my favorite things as a supervisor is helping our technicians help our customers. So it's kind of cool how it's all come full circle around, and I still get to do things that I enjoy. I think the trades are a great career opportunity, especially for someone that isn't necessarily the college type like myself. I was a chef for almost 10 years, and here I am now. I think the opportunity is there, but you got to reach out and take it.